उसका रिस्पॉन्स कैसा रहा है? बिकॉज स्क्रीनिंग चल रहे हैं एंड आपके बारे में काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे रिव्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, तो हाउ इज़ इट बीन लाइक?
It feels good. I think a positive response and appreciation always does feel good. And I've been hearing positive things, so it's exciting. And I'm in anticipation of watching the film myself. I haven't yet seen it because I've been here and working, so I haven't had the chance to see it. But it has felt good, the kind of response that's been coming from the screenings. So I'm really, really looking forward. At the first given chance that I can, I do want to go and watch the film.
अब बॉलीवुड की बात करते हैं. यू हैव बीन प्रैक्टिकली एब्सेंट फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड में से.
No.
बट स्टिल द प्रोड्यूसर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, आई मीन यू स्टिल आर नंबर वन. टेल मी, आई मीन हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट कि आप हॉलीवुड से बॉलीवुड में जगलिंग करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं? एंड
The only thing that it really entails, and I mean Bollywood, or I mean our industry, I am a complete Hindi film heroine. And I've always been that. That's what I completely enjoy. So that's when it comes to, I mean, it's not like Hollywood. It's not to आप लोगों ने सवाल नहीं किया when I did Tamil films or a Bengali film. Doing an English film is exactly that for me. It isn't about moving base or changing your industry or anything. It's just like working in a Tamil film or working in a Bengali film. It's just working in an English film. That's the way I look at it as an experience. And when it comes to Hindi films, I probably will have maximum releases this year. When it comes to right now, there's Kyun Ho Gaya Na coming on Friday the 13th of August with a love story, so that's great. And then there's Raincoat releasing this year. There's Bride and Prejudice, of course. And I'm sure even Shabd will get released because it's ready. And PNC will decide when they want to release the film. And so I'll be having probably maximum releases this year than ever before. I maximum have 2 and rarely a 3rd release every year. तो ऐसी कोई बात है नहीं इन टर्म्स ऑफ एब्सेंट, ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैं यहाँ पर रही नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मेरे शूटिंग स्केड्यूल्स बाहर रहे हैं, या तो विदेश में या तो बाहर गाँव. इट्स जस्ट नॉट इन बॉम्बे, सो आई बीन अवे फॉर वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग. बट आई हैवंट there's no question of me not doing Hindi films because I thoroughly love it. हाँ, एक बात है कि मैं I am very clear about wanting to work in a more hopefully in a start to finish manner with every film. One, because I thoroughly and most enjoy working that way. I think it's great when you can just completely live in one film at a time. If I can achieve it, fabulous. And secondly, also because if I have to accommodate an English film, उनका वही एक एप्रीहेंशन होता है कि हमारे इंडस्ट्री में हम कई फिल्मों में काम करते हैं, तो उन्हें यही डर रहता है कि आप अपने आप को बहुत आगे तक बुक करेंगे तो हम शायद कौन सा फिल्म लाए आपके पास. तो that kind of confuses them a lot in the manner in which we work. So it's tricky, but that's why probably you will not hear announcements instantly, but at the same time Shabd happened and I've started and already finished the film, so I am working in that organized manner.